Hey guys, good morning. This is Vlog 53 Phon-Er Gold dropping by to say what up. Today we have a beautiful weather and we have one job lined up, actually two jobs. One job for now and then the second one after that, which is an iPad. So it's a nice one on iPad day. It's one of those a little bit time consuming days, but it's fun. We're gonna just make the best of it, and we'll probably get a few more jobs later on too, because after the EDC weekend usually get pretty busy. And so we have an iPhone 6 Plus on the route right now, en route. We are there to fix that. It's an iPhone 6 Plus, and then after that we're going to go and pick up an iPad mini glass digitizer and fix the glass of an iPad mini 2. So stay tuned for that, and we'll be back with Block 53 repair soon, in a second, in a minute or a second. So stay tuned and we'll be right back. Peace. See you soon in a sec. Cut. Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold of Vlog 53 still. We are still driving to Hollywood mechanic auto body shop to fix iPhone 6 Plus. It was a referral from another body shop next door to them, and I fixed their phones earlier in the past previously. So they were the ones that told the shop next to them about my services, and here's the house call. It's very convenient for the shop because the owner cannot really leave the shop unattended. So I'm going to do that right now, fix the iPhone 6 Plus screen. And after that I'm going to go to my vendor to buy iPad mini 2 glass, so I can replace that for the customer that dropped off their iPad over the weekend. But because we were really busy and the shop for parts were closed, we had to wait a little bit. Which happens once every few months, and the customer didn't really need the iPad because it's for his kid, so we're just gonna fix that and then drop it off to him in Sunland, California later this evening after the traffic dies, about 7:38. So we'll keep it tuned in when the repair starts for the mechanic shop one in the next 10 minutes, and we'll see you guys soon over there. Peace. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here to Ken's Collision. That's the repair shop, the mechanic and auto body shop that we're going to fix. It's called Ken Collision and Motorsports. It's on Vine and Romaine. If you guys want to check it out, it's pretty cool. It's right to Enterprise. Pretty much that. This and I'll be back with the repair, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. Peace. Cut. Really cool place. Almost there. Hey guys, we are finally stationed. We just put our tools down. We're about to start. Here's another part of the Ken's Collision. It's pretty nice. That's Ken's Collision and Motorsports on Vine and Romaine in LA, California, Hollywood area. Yeah, let's start this. And here's the phone. It's all smashed up, and we got a brand new screen. And we also have a cool complimentary temper guide that we're going to include with this, so it'll be more safer. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's go.
Sorry, brother.
Oh no. You're all good. Okay, so just the password and
there you go.
put in. Oh, hey brother. Now. guys, that's all. Everything works with tempered glass on. We also put this on. It's pretty cool, right?
Cool.
And that will conclude our vlog 53. Thank you guys for watching. That will conclude our vlog 53. This is Ken Collision again, the place that I was at. It's pretty cool, nice area, nice people, good work. They work on more sort of like luxury cars and etc. So if you have any need of them, you can contact their website at kencollision.com or just go to their shop at the Romaine and Vine, and they'll be there waiting for you to help you out. And it's right next to Enterprise Rental, so it's pretty easy to find. Thank you for watching. This is vlog 53, and that's a cut and a wrap for now. And we'll see you in vlog 54. Peace. Cut.